Hello everyone! Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa isa sa pinagmamalaki ng Labrador, Pangasinan, ang Kadampan Falls or mas kilala bilang Tinakayanan Falls. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Pagkatapos nating makapunta sa jump-off point, tayo ay maglalakad ng mahigit kumulang 30 minutes hanggang 1 hour. Hindi mo rin mapapansin na malayo ito habang naglalakad, basta kasama ang tropa at may masayang kwentuhan habang naglalakad. At mabubusog din ang iyong mga mata sa ganda ng tanawin. Alam niyo ba na ang Tinakayanan ay hango sa Pangasinan Break na Takayan dahil ang Tinakayanan Falls ay mistulang hagdan na may iba't ibang baitang. Katapos ng mahaba-habang lakaran, tara, saksihan natin ang ganda ng Tinakayanan Falls. This falls is part of Pangasinan's rich ecological tapestry, surrounded by dense forest and rolling hills. The waterfall cascades down in several tiers, with the main drop measuring around 30 to 40 feet high, creating a crystal clear pools and its base that are perfect for swimming or wading. The water is freshly cool, sourced from natural springs and mountain runoff. And the surrounding areas feature rocky outcrops, bamboo groves, and diverse vegetation. During the rainy season, the flow intensifies, adding to its dramatic appeal, while the dry season reveals calmer water and vibrant greenery. The falls are framed by towering trees and offer panoramic views of the Pangasinan countryside, making it a prime spot for picnics, photography, or simply soaking in tranquility. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na sa Tinakayanan Falls! Let's go!